I know you've been waiting for such a long time. It is His Radio, Robin, Liz, and Lizz's Ugly Bakery. It might not look pretty, but it tastes great.
Yeah, hopefully. But they look okay. I tried to recreate what was done on the Food Network, and with my little decorations on the top of these let me get it right. Key lime cupcakes with cream cheese frosting and key lime curd. So it's a long title, but I think they're totally
long title, lots and lots of sugar. It looks so good.
There is quite a bit of sugar. I'm going to say 3 cups of granulated sugar in the entire recipe, but then another 7 cups of powdered sugar in the frosting.
Okay, so she has all the recipe for you and the ingredients on our website, hisradio.com. Just look for the Robin Liz blog. But here's the thing.
Yeah?
Not only did she make these to sample for you on His Radio, but she also fed, people at her church yesterday.
Well, here's the cool thing about God. So on Sunday morning, and I was already thinking I'm going to do a key lime thing for Ugly Bakery this week. And our pastor was, in front of the church talking about an outreach they were doing last night. We were doing last night. And we were going to visit people socially distanced who hadn't actually been able to come back to church because they've been socially distanced and didn't feel comfortable yet to come into the 4 walls. So they identified the people that they were going to go to their homes, deliver cupcakes to. That's what they did.
Look at that.
And I'm like, I can do some cupcakes. So they asked for 18 cupcakes.
That was it?
Yeah, well, because
I was
other
thinking
people...
100 you made.
No.
So 18.
I made 24 so that I could bring some in today, and then I gave 18 because that's what they asked for. That was the need.
That was pretty neat.
So it was a lot of fun.
So because of that, we have a taste tester that's a guest.
Yes, his name is Kevin, Coach Kevin.
So Coach Kevin tried it. TJ and Ian are going to try this as well, give you their review. Let's hear Coach Kevin's review from his garage.
Key lime pie cupcake. I love key lime pie. It smells pretty good. It's got a very, very light key lime pie smell to it, but here we go. One bite. Definitely got a tang to it, a key lime pie tang.
Okay. What else you
I
think?
think we got a little cream cheese icing right there, which is always a good thing.
Okay.
Rob, that's a nice surprise. We got some key lime. Like a key lime jelly. That makes it right there. The key lime, actual filling right there. Man, that's good stuff. The key lime pie filling makes it. Solid cupcake.
Look at that. With a little surprise.
Yeah, it's not jelly though, Coach Kevin.
Is it not?
It's curd.
Okay, quickly. Let's get Ian's assessment. He's digging in.
Yeah.
TJ's doing the same.
Cut mine open.
Okay, go ahead, Ian.
There you go.
Your thought?
Really good. I'm a sucker for everything key lime.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good. The curd, like he said, is a really good little surprise.
Yay.
It just adds that perfect little key lime taste to it.
TJ.
Now, TJ doesn't like key lime.
Oh, so we're going to get a real...
Yeah.
So, it's not bad. No, it's good.
Cannot win.
To me, it's really sour, but everything mixed together, the dryness of the
dryness
of the cupcake and the wetness of the curd in the middle makes it go together.
Man, you have got to find some Food Network. It's not sour, it's tart. You have to find the right vocabulary for what we're... Never say dry when it's... Well, no, you can if it's actually dry, but... Is it dry, Ian?
The curd evens it out. Yeah, it's a little dry.
It is not.
All right, so...
But still good.
You can get the surprise at the Robin Liz blog.
It's not dry.
It's radio.com.
It's dense.